Today we're going to be talking about the Hario V60 ceramic dripper. The packaging comes out like this. It's like the size of my head. So I'm going to unbox it to show you what's inside. First, it's going to look like this when you open the box. It comes with this coffee scooper. It is BPA free. Next is a ceramic dripper. It looks like this. Like that, has a hole in the bottom. The spiral edges helps the filter from sticking onto the dripper so that it can increase the flow of the water. Like this. It also comes with this little manual book right here. It also comes with a pack of 100 filters like this. This is made in Japan. Let me open one to show you what it looks like. The paper looks like this. It has this single seam right here and it tapers downward into a triangle like that. This is what the filter looks like. And then this is the coffee server. The lid right here, as well as the handles, is made of BPA-free plastic. This one right here is made of borosilicate glass. Everything is made in Japan. And how it works is you're gonna open the lid and then put this right here and then put the filter on top. So just like that.